If your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is not working properly, or by any chance any kind of virus has been included in your phone, or your some functions are not working on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, if you would like to do the factory reset, how do you do that? We are going to see in this video. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel. And without much delay, to do any kind of reset, we have to get into settings first. Just go to your top right corner, scroll down like this. This icon will indicate about the settings. Just go and tap it on these icons. Upon tapping on that icon, you'll be falling into settings menu. Under the settings menu, you'll have so many options. Go and just tap it on this general management section under the settings. Just go and tap it on general management section. Under the general management section, so many options are given here. Just scroll up. Somewhere you'll find this reset option for yours. Say kind of reset all those activities. Just go and tap it on this reset. Upon tapping this one under the reset, just scroll up. At the end, you will be finding this factory data reset for doing absolutely factory data reset. Just if you want to do any kind of factory data reset, go and tap it on this one. Upon tapping, you will be falling into this one, and under the factory data reset, you can slowly just go up, go up, go up. At the end, you will be finding your reset option here. Just go and tap it on this one. Under the reset option of here, your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will be done to the factory level, and you'll bring back all that original stuff. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video.